Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this package which comes a TV stand that I received for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it has a mid-century cell design and it has a wooden finish that I find really beautiful. Okay, and here we have the instruction manuals. It comes everything really well protected, which I think it's nice, and it also comes with all the screws, nuts, and bolts that you need to assemble it, which I think it's great. Okay, so let's go ahead and start assembling it and let's see how it looks. Okay, come on.
Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly process is really easy. All the instructions are really clear and easy to follow, and it doesn't take that much long to assemble it. You can do it by yourself, and it's really nice. Okay, another thing that I find quite nice is that it's child friendly because it has some rounded edges so they don't hurt when they are walking and getting around, and it's really easy to clean. All the material feels of a really nice quality, and as you can see, it has this space in the back so you can pass through all the cables that are needed to make the proper connections of the TV. And as you can see, it's really nice with the TV placed on. It has a really nice space that can fit up to 60 inches TVs, which I think it's great. And the sliding doors are really nice. You can set them up so they look on a different way, which I think is excellent. And they are really nice. You have a lot of space so you can storage many items, some books or whatever you need, and all the surfaces are really nice. Overall, I like it a lot and I would really recommend it.